Hello friends! Thank you for coming. In this video, I am going to prepare my gifts for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So this is the first batch. I have already on my list the names of the friends of whom I'm planning to give a special gift. It takes a lot of effort to find the perfect gift. It should also be useful to the person receiving the gift. Well, I thought that one gift which is very useful for everyone are plants. Plants are important to the environment. They are good for one's health and they're beautiful decor items. Gifting plants can mean many things, but most of all, it means wishing good luck and telling someone that you care. Plants is the best gift for all occasions. They are a sign of respect, telling someone that you trust them and telling them that they have a nurturing nature. I always give succulents and cactus as gifts. Some people think that gifting a cactus or a succulent can be a bad idea. Well, not at all. For me, cactus plants is my favorite item. Cactus plants are often misunderstood as harsh and insensitive due to the thorns and pricks. Cactus plants symbolize endurance, persistence, and toughness. Gifting a cactus to someone means telling them that they never give up and that you care for them. Since cactus plant keeps negative energy and misfortune away, it tells the recipient that you want to protect them. It is best gifted to someone who is going through a bad time, to let them know that they are strong. I always give a succulent arrangement to my friends as a gift. Unlike flowers and most plants that die soon, succulents are known for their sustainability. They are a strong kind of plants. They don't need that much care, and yet they can be very, very beautiful and easy to care. While many people prefer giving flowers to their beloved on a special day, it's a great idea too to give succulents this time. Since succulents can survive very long, they also symbolize longevity and survival. These plants are adapted to survive in dry, arid climates in desert-like conditions. They symbolize what it's like to survive in the real world. The real world can seem like a scary place where survival is tough. And succulents are also associated with everlasting love, endurance, and loyalty. Since succulents can survive any kind of harsh conditions such as extreme temperature and water scarcity, like I said, they are associated with resilience and survival. Succulents stay around for a long time, which is why they are often associated with love. They represent the kind of love that stays alive for a long time, such as unconditional love. They are even associated with forgiveness. That's why they make great gifts to send to your loved ones. If you share a deep emotional connection with someone, you should definitely send them a succulent. We all must stay determined and fight through all the hardships. If someone you care about is going through a tough time in their life, you could get them a succulent to remind them of how strong they are. Meaning, since succulents can survive drought-like conditions, they are great gifts to send to a survivor. And there it is. My first batch is done. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you got some ideas. They're just simple arrangement. Please stay tuned because I'm gonna make more. And this is only the AC for the beginners. And hopefully for the next video, I'm gonna show you another arrangements. And they will be ready for a gift on Thanksgiving and on Christmas. Stay tuned to my channel. Please, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment below so I can follow you back. More power to all of you. I hope that you enjoyed and you got at least some inspiration. Blessings and have a great day every day.